Hi, Shirley from Shirley Fiona Patterns here today, and today I'm going to show you how to do this border. I've done it in 3 different colours just to show you how nice it is. It is a 2-row repeat and it is 4 stitches plus 3 extra and your 2 edge stitches. It's so super. I absolutely adored it. And the back, it's just the same, exactly the same, so you can use it either way. So it doesn't matter which row you land on when you're going to continue with whatever other pattern that you're going to use. Either way, doesn't matter, first row or second row, it will still be the same, exactly the same. So I'm going to start off now with, wait till I clear all this away. I was so intent on doing all that, made a mess. Right, let's get going. So 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is 4, 4, 4, plus 3 plus your 2 edge stitches. And I've started a little bit here just to show you. So row 1 is, oops, I'm getting wrapped around my finger. Row 1 is slip your first stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward. That's your repeat. So it's your edge stitch. So it's purl 3, yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward. So we'll do that along the row. So it's purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward, start again, 1, 2, 3, yarn back, slip 1. So that's, you do that to your last 4 stitches, yarn forward again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl your last edge stitch. Now row 2 is slip 1 and it's purl 3, purl 1, I apologize, and then your repeat is yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's your repeat. It is, you do your edge stitch and then there's a purl 1 and then your yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward, purl 3, and you repeat that to your last 3 stitches. So it's yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward, 1, 2, 3, last 3 stitches. And the last 3 stitches are yarn back, slip 1, yarn forward, purl 1, purl 2. There we go. That's it. That's the 2 rows. So easy, and they're really nice, and it's so easy to do once you realize how it's done. And it's just basically a set of 4 stitches and you're purling 3 and slipping 1, and then that slip 1 on the other row is the middle one of the purl 3 on the back row. So the front row, middle one, is the slipped one on the other row, on the back or the front, like that one is the middle one of those 3 and that one is the middle one of those 3. So you can work out to do whatever amount of stitches you want, really, as long as you start off the first row as it is. So there you go. And that's all the different colours that I did it in. Because I enjoy knitting that stitch. I really do enjoy knitting that stitch. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, like, subscribe, share. The links are down below. Comment if you wish, and happy knitting.